Right, this is my second benchy. It's not far off finish now. I didn't realise it, but the first benchy I had, I forgot the fan wasn't working, and I noticed it up to this point. That's the first benchy. Which isn't bad. I mean, look over the windows, it's absolutely perfect. But look at the bottom. As soon as I put the fan on, that was the layers, absolutely perfect. Well, in my view. Look at the flue. It's getting there, isn't it? Hopefully this one will be perfect. It's nearly finished. I think it's just got the bit of the roof to do and the flue. So I'll show you that once it's finished. I could sit here watching it for hours. Not far off now, done. The bed temperature 60 degrees, nozzle 200 degrees. Perfect settings using PLA. Usually where these fail, a lot of the time, is the flue. Well, they can fail in a lot of places. They can fail in the structure around the top of the window, and obviously the layering. But judging by it so far, it's looking quite good, isn't it? All it's got to do now is just the top part. I'll show you that part there. I mean, for a first attempt at a benchy, that's pretty good, I think. Apart from the obvious. And that was to do with temperature, fan control. I'm not saying there's Not any tweaks to do here and there. I'm sure there is. It ain't bad. And there you have it. One finished benchy. With a bit of string in here and there. But it's hardly anything, is it? What do you think? I think it's ready to come off now. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You're seeing it for the first time, as I am. Look at the difference. This one. And this one. Second benchy. I'd call that a success. Excellent. Straight as a die as well, that flew. Look at the window. Beautiful. Very happy. And the text on the bottom, it says 3D something. What's it? CT3D XYZ. Perfectly legible. I'm really pleased. That's all from Simon's Solar Shed. Thought I'd share that with you. Bye for now.